Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into surpass. 13 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Eclipse. Which means deprive someone or something of significance or power. Eclipse. For example, the use of procaine was eclipsed by the discovery of cortisone. Number 2. Trump. Which means surpass something by saying or doing something better. Trump. For example, by wearing the simplest of dresses and no jewelry, she had trumped them all. Number 3. Excel. Which means be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. Excel. For example, she excelled him in her command of the language. Number 4. Transcend. Which means surpass a person or achievement. Transcend. For example, he doubts that he will ever transcend Shakespeare. Number 5. Outshine. Which means be much better than someone in a particular area. Outshine. For example, a single large houseplant can outshine any number of ornaments. Number 6. Cap. Which means follow or reply to a story, remark, or joke by producing a better one. Cap. For example, they tried to cap each other's stories. Number 7. Outdo. Which means be superior to in action or performance. Outdo. For example, the men tried to outdo each other in their generosity. Number 8. Top. Which means exceed an amount, level, or number. Top. For example, sales are expected to top £1.3 billion. Number 9. Outstrip. Which means exceed. Outstrip. For example, demand far outstrips supply. Number 10. Overshadow. Which means be more impressive or successful than another person. Overshadow. For example, he was always overshadowed by his brilliant elder brother. Number 11. Exceed. Which means be better than. Exceed. For example, Brazil far exceeds America in available fertile land. If you liked the video, Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.